I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. So now I am reviewing one of my team member work. So I will show you in a short video that how you can find contact information, first name, last name, title, and other information if you know the email address. As you can see, my team member only found the email address and the first name, last name is missing. Okay, now how you can find all this information? This is very easy. I think he missed it or he didn't try it. What all you can do is, like, you know the email address, right? So if you copy the email address and if you go Google and then search it, now you will see, let me a little bit bigger. So you got the email address, right? So now let's find the name. Okay, so here we can see the contact on this email address, Dan, and the person name, first name, last name. So we know the name now. Okay, so we don't need to put the team because we know the name and then last name. Now we don't know the title. Okay, so what is the title? As you can see, meet the business owner, Dan. Okay, so AGA farm, so AGA farm. Okay, so and the Dan is matching. All right, so how much time it took? It took only few minutes to find, right? So, and we know the business owner, so we can say it's owner only. As much as short we can say owner. So contact location, if you don't know the location, exact location, if you don't know the LinkedIn or email, just put the business location because this is the primary location of the owner. Okay, so and so you put, as you can see, it's a big space, so you should work properly, right? So you can put it like this way, there is no space, only one space, and that's it. So I have found only within few minutes the missing information. Now it's looking really good, and the previous time it was like team, point of contact, and so I think everyone should work really good, going extra mile, searching more information, how you can find it. Use your brain, how to you could be good at research, right? So it's really easy. It was a quick video. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and this video is especially for him. Okay, I will send him that video link. Thank you so much, and this is a learning for all of you guys as well. Take care. Bye.